Today I'll take you through some of the key expectations for the Q4 results for Infosys, and along with the results are expected on 14th of April, along with which is tomorrow, and along with the results it would be the buyback announcement that would be keenly watched out for. In fact, various analysts do expect Infosys to announce a buyback of anywhere between 11,000 crore to 15,000 crore, which is roughly around 1.5 to 2 billion odd dollars. And along with the buyback announcement, it will also be the FY22 revenue as well as the EBIT margin guidance, which is keenly watched out for. FY22 revenue guidance is seen at nearly around 12 to 14%, and FY22 EBIT margin guidance is seen anywhere around 22 to 24% for Infosys. If you are looking at the stock has already gained nearly around 110% in the last 1 year. It is up 10% on a YTD basis, but the stock has come under pressure in the last two trading sessions. It is the top loser on Nifty IT index, down close to around 4% in just two trading sessions, and it trades at a valuation of 23x for FY23 PE. So yes, if at all the results are good and if at all the commentary is good, this is one stock to be watched out for, as most of the analysts do have a buy rating on Infosys. Besides this, of course, quickly taking you through the overall Q4 expectations. Well, the Q4 revenue growth is seen at 3.5% quarter on quarter. In constant currency terms, the revenue growth in dollar terms is seen at 4.1% quarter on quarter at $36.61 million. Revenue growth would be aided by the momentum in terms of the large deals and strong bookings in the earlier quarter. EBIT margin may come under slight impact on account of lower utilization and the wage hike impact. Analysts expect EBIT margins to be down 110 bips on a sequential basis to 24.3% versus 25.4% in the previous quarter. Profit is seen largely flat on a sequential basis at 5205 crore. Deal wins is likely to be robust, but it will come down on a sequential basis, as do note that in Q3 Infosys clocked in the highest ever large deal TCV at $7.1 billion, and in this quarter analysts expect deal wins to be around the $3 billion odd dollars. Besides that, of course, March is generally a seasonally weak quarter for Infosys. Quickly more in terms of the FY22 revenue and EBIT margin expectations. Well, the FY22, the deal structure, revenues and profitability dynamics would be fairly important for the guidance here, because the pass-through of the Daimler deal would decide the future course on revenue growth as well as the EBIT margin. Outlook on the annual budgeting cycle and implications for Infosys would be important. Long-term sustainable growth for Infosys M&A strategy would be important, and of course the timing and quantum of wage hikes in FY22, along with that the margin impact and attrition rate are some of the key monitorables. A little more in terms of the buyback. Well, Infosys, as I said, is expected to announce a buyback of 11,000 crore to 15,000 crore, roughly around 1.5 to 2 billion dollars. Company can buy back anywhere up to 25% of the net worth, and a maximum buyback size could be around 17,900 crore. They do have a net worth of 71,600 crore, and also the cash and investment stands at $4.5 billion. So yes, watch out for the results on April 14th, which is tomorrow, and watch out for the buyback announcement on Infosys.